guys, so in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Halloween mystery boxes. Oh my gosh, I'm probably the last person on YouTube to unbox these, but I just got them. They were so late, and guess what? I live like an hour away from where he ships from, so I don't understand. I was on the website stalking like 10 minutes before the launch. I wanted to get all 3 boxes, but I was only able to get 2. I couldn't get the Supreme. I got the Premium and the other one, I forget exactly what they're called. I should look that up. Deluxe and Premium, that's what it is. But yeah, I was in the middle of filming a Halloween makeup tutorial that's gonna be up on Instagram, but I thought that I would stop because I'm gonna do some special effects stuff in the rest of my face and just unbox these for a quick video. And yeah, before I start though, you have to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Join the fam. You know you want to join because my channel's full of really great things. I sounded so confident when I said that. Anyway, yeah, let's get into this unboxing because I'm like eager to see what I got. Oh wait, the first thing I have to unbox though is, so I really wanted this Shane Dawson merch. I wasn't able to get it the day of the launch because I just didn't have money. It wasn't payday, I just couldn't do it. So I was gonna wait for the restock. But then my friend here on YouTube, her name is Jasmine Hewitt. I'll have her channel in the description because, oh my gosh. So she ordered a pair of the Shane Dawson slides and they sent her the wrong size. I don't know why. She was supposed to get like a size 10, I believe, or like an 8, I don't know. And they sent her a size 4, which is my size. They're in men's size, so like, okay, my foot is small, but it's not like a 4 in women's, right? But yeah, they sent her the wrong size, so I bought them off of her. So I'm sorry, Jasmine, that you didn't get what you wanted, but I'm so excited that I was able to get my hands on these. So I'm gonna be unboxing those right now. Let's do it. Wow, do you think these tiny scissors are gonna work? What kind of box is this? Like, for real, where's the like, gosh, I'm so excited to see what they look like and to wear them. I swear I'm gonna be going out in these. I don't care. I'm going to an event tonight and I will wear them. I'm just kidding. I really can't wear them to this event. I mean, I would wear them to the grocery store. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So excited. I'm so excited. Looks like I have a small foot. Like I do have a small foot. Oh my gosh. These are better than my normal slides. I wish I could show you right now. They make my tiny feet look even tinier, but oh, look at how cute they are. You know what? I have to send the picture to Jasmine first. Let me send the picture to her. I sent the picture to her. All right, moving on to the boxes. Let's see if these little scissors are gonna work for this. So this is the Premium Mystery Box. It contains 4 items and it runs for $40. It's sold out, by the way, in case you didn't know. But let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. I love Jeffree Star. This is absolutely, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes! I already love the first thing I see. This is the Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cherry Wet. I was actually looking for a different red because I have his mini rainbows and this is the red that comes in it. This is Red Rum and I just think it's a little too bright sometimes for the looks that I'm going for. So I wanted his formula in a red liquid lipstick. I am so excited. I want to swatch it. Let's swatch it because why not? If you didn't know, oh, this isn't a red. Wow. If you didn't know, the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick is the best formula on the market. If you're looking for a good liquid lipstick, I highly recommend you check out his formula because it's very good. This is not really a red, it's more a pink. When I think cherry, I think very red, but it's okay. It's a nice pink and I can rock this. Definitely think it's more of a spring summer shade, but you know, who knows? I'll probably use this in something. Next we have the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Soul Sucker. Ooh. This must be the limited edition. It has sparkle in it. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this. It's like a black, greenish black with glitter. But let's do a little swatchy swatch. Ooh! Oh, the glitter is like very apparent. It's a very sheer liquid lipstick though, so it's very interesting. Ooh, I love that. Ooh, so excited. Then we have the Lip Ammunition in the shade Brown Sugar. I actually have never tried any of his like normal lipsticks. This is a Lip Ammunition. I only have his liquid lipsticks because those are my preferred formula. Love his formula though of liquid lipstick, so I'm sure I'm gonna love this. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is so pretty. He cannot go wrong with his packaging. His packaging is amazing. Oh, I love this little detail up here where it's like reflective, and this is like lime green, oh, or a neon yellow really. Let's see how it swatches. Okay, so it's a very sheer like gold. Ooh, it's very creamy though, and yeah, you can definitely build it up. Oh, that's so pretty. I am obsessed with that. Don't know that I would wear that on the lips. I definitely would find a use for this. That's all I'm gonna say. Everything he has, he's such a unique brand. He has so many things that are like his style. I love his style. Jeffree Star definitely doesn't disappoint. The last thing is in this packaging right here. Woo! This is so exciting. Let's see what this is. I think I know. Oh my gosh. Yes! I'm so glad I didn't buy this. I was like debating buying it, but at the time I just didn't really want to spend the money on it when a lot of the shades are in the big Jawbreaker, which I do have. That's actually the first palette that I own from him. I am so excited to be able to use this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. The orange crush shade looks so pretty. You know what? I'm gonna swatch it real quick because I do want to show you how they swatch. So I think some of the swatches cut off. My memory card got full and I wasn't sure like what got recorded or not, but as you can see, it doesn't disappoint. Like his mattes are so buttery and so are his shimmers, and this color right here is so intriguing. I think there's only 2 duplicates actually. I was thinking that there were more, so I don't know why I didn't buy it. Like this is such a perfect palette for travel if I want like that, you know, something crazy like this while I'm traveling, which I tend to do actually. So I am so excited this came in the premium box. All right, moving on to the deluxe. Now I'm gonna have swatches everywhere. That's great. My dog chewed up the corner, of course, already. That's great. Let's open up the deluxe. Before I do, let me tell you, I can't remember the exact price. I think it was $60 or was it 80? I don't remember exactly, and it's nowhere to be found on the website anymore, but it contains 8 items. So it's double the amount of what I just opened. Oh dude, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing I pulled out is the shirt. All right, let's open it. I might just put it over what I'm wearing right now because I don't really want to take off my shirt and mess up my hair. Oh, it says can't relate. Oh dude, I'm totally wearing this as like a pajama because it's pretty big. No, I don't want to mess up my hair and my makeup. This was such a bad idea. Doing it anyway. Yep, this is pretty big. I didn't realize how big it was gonna be. I like to get really loose fitting t-shirts though, so that I can wear them as pajamas if I want to, but like this. Oh dude, I'm excited. Now I blend in with the background though, but whatever. So the next thing we have here, is another liquid lipstick. Let's see what this is. Christmas cookie. I've heard this is another good nude. So it looks like this. Like his normal packaging, right? Of course. And we're gonna swatch it. Oh, this looks so much like Mannequin. I wonder how it compares. I don't know where my Mannequin is. It's probably my purse. Oh, this one seems a little bit darker than Mannequin. But Mannequin is my all-time favorite nude liquid lipstick. It's what I wore on my wedding day and it lasted forever. I love his formula. It's so amazing. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna be using the crap out of Christmas cookie. I'm so excited. The next thing I pulled out is the gloss. I don't know what this is. Oh, Sequin Glass. 2 finishes, glitter fantasy and extreme shine. Juicy and delicious. Iconic on its own or over any lipstick. So I'm assuming it's some sort of gloss. Looks like this. Let's take it out. I've never heard of any of these. I don't know why. Oh wow, look at how, oh. It's this. It's his new collection that came out like when he launched the concealers. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be using this like crazy. I wish I had this sooner so that I could use it on some Halloween looks. Look at how pretty that is. I don't even know if you could see how truly duochrome and pretty that is. Alright, so next up we have another lip ammunition and this is in the shade, ooh, Snow Cone. I can already tell. With the little sticker, it kind of gives you a hint of the color. Oh, it's so, I'm sure it's gonna be so pretty. Same packaging as the other one. I love it. So pretty. Oh my god. What? How in the world am I gonna wear this? But you know what? Oh, it's really sheer. So this would probably go really well layered over something, to be honest. I would rock this. Can I just, I'm gonna put it on now, just for fun. Oh, oh my. It feels super nice. Yeah, it definitely probably goes better over something though, because like, look at that. That just makes me look like a ghost. All right, I'm gonna take this off because I don't want to look like a ghost for the rest of this video. Next up, we have a liquid frost. Oh my goodness. This is in the shade Chill Zone. Ooh, let's see. I've never tried any of his liquid frosts before actually, so kind of excited to try it. I always open these backwards because like there's a sticker in the front and now I can't take it out. This is very dark though. Like, how is this gonna work on my skin tone? But maybe it can be used as an eyeshadow. How does this even come out? Oh, you just have to turn it. Oh, this reminds me of like the Cover FX enhancer drops, like the ones that are like for, oh, liquid highlighters. I put way too much. Oh no, it's gonna get everywhere. Let me try to scoop some back in here. Oh no. But it's so pretty and so metallic. I mean, maybe this can be used as a liquid eyeshadow because honestly, how the hell am I supposed to use this on my face? Like, I am so pale. Like, can you imagine me trying to put that on right now? Oh, it's so pretty. I wonder if it gets a little more sheer the more you blend it. Maybe it can be used as like a blush situation. All right, I'm gonna have to wipe some off. This is way too much. Let's see what I can do though, I wonder. It definitely does get a little bit more sheer, but it still wouldn't work for me as a highlighter. Like, definitely on a deeper skin tone, for sure. That is crazy. I don't know how I'm gonna use that. And then we have a Skin Frost. This is in the shade Mystery Frost. This must be like the custom shade. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I thought like something cracked in my highlighter. I swear when I opened it, it looked like either like chocolate or like coffee. It more looked like coffee. Oh my though, it's so pretty. Oh, the more you twirl it on the blacker it actually gets. I'm not sure how I would use a black highlighter. It looks like dirt. It actually looks like dirt running in my arm. Honestly, what I would do though is go around the black just to get the champagne color because that's super pretty. But how a black only Jeffree Star, a black highlighter. And the last thing in this box is in this, and I'm really hoping it's not a duplicate. I haven't seen, by the way, I have not seen a single unboxing video even though I've wanted to. I just didn't want to get spoiled, so I don't know. I really hope this is not the same thing, the same palette. It's the same palette. Are you kidding me? Why? Why did I spend my money? I guess I'll have to give this away. All right, you know what? I'm gonna give this one away. If you wanna win this, all you need to do is be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram as well. Just support me, all right? Actually watch my videos. I'll pick a winner on the 16th. You know what? I'll make a little mini raffle copter thing so that I can track your entries. It's just easier for me. I don't know how people just pick giveaway winners from comments. It's just easier for me. Make sure you put all your information in the Rafflecopter site. It'll be in the description. I was about to throw away the entire package when I saw this at the bottom of the box. I even finished filming this video and everything. I did my outro and everything. This is the mirror. Why can't I open anything today? Ow, I almost broke a nail. I can't believe I almost threw this away. Can you, oh my gosh. Look at how pretty it is. I'm so excited to just stare at myself all day. Okay, no, I'm kidding. I hardly ever use any mirrors like this, but you know, it's just cute to have on my vanity. Like, I'm excited for this. I love orange too. Like, oh my gosh. Halloween's the best time of year. How many of you agree, right? Halloween is the best time of year. This was my first mystery box. I don't think I mentioned that either. I've never done it before, and I was really intrigued to do it because I am a huge supporter of Jeffree Star because I think he is a boss ass bitch. Like, he really gets shit done, and he like knows his stuff, and he is like an entrepreneur that I really look up to. I've been really enjoying watching his series with Shane. Obviously, I'm gonna be doing a review on the full collection because I want the full collection. Like, I'm gonna be on that site at like 9 a.m. just waiting, refreshing. Like, it launches at 10, so I'll be there for an hour refreshing, waiting for it. But yeah, this was my first mystery box, and I'm not that disappointed. Like, there are a lot of things I wouldn't normally buy, and that's kind of what I like about this. Like, you don't know what you're gonna get, and it's kind of interesting to see like what you get that like you wouldn't buy yourself. So I think that's the cool part about this. Like, I wouldn't buy half the stuff myself except for probably the the 2 liquid lipsticks that came. I probably wouldn't buy either of these lip ammunitions, but you know what? Like, it's the fun of it, and I'm gonna find a way to make all of this work. The only thing I did not like, why would you include the same palette in both mystery boxes when you know that a lot of people are gonna be buying both of them, or all 3 of them even? Did this come in the, I haven't even seen the Supreme unboxings. I wanna watch them now. I wanna know what people got. I would definitely get the mystery boxes again. It's super fun to like sit there and wait and see what you're gonna get. But yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. You can subscribe right here and watch these 2 videos if you've missed them, and just have a marathon, because you know, you just don't want to leave without subscribing and watching some more videos. Just have a marathon. Just literally watch my videos all day, you know? Do it. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.